Hey guys, doing the dumbest thing ever. I'm gonna go fishing. I have this lure on during it's raining. It just started raining, but then it stopped. So let's start. Let me take off my lure off of my thing. What up? Oh my god. Oh my god, get off. Oh my god. Okay, finally. What the heck? Alright, that was weird. I don't know where to set you guys, but I'm just gonna cast with one hand. Cause I could do that. I know how. Okay. You did not see that. Let's try this again. One hand. There. Alright, let's start reeling. I'm gonna stop it here because I cannot do this. Bye, guys. Okay, never mind. I quit. I'm done. Bye. I'm done. Bye, guys. God.